Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how can you draw this bird in Infinite Painter. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm using here the portrait screen sized canvas, and first of all we need to change the color of the background. So go through the top right corner, click on that icon, go through the layers option, and you will see here a ring of colors. So you can choose a light blue color from there. Now you have to select the brush called as the Monoline Brush from the Calligraphy slot, and you have to set the size to something 36. Yeah, and that should be okay. So now we have to start making the main body of the bird. First of all, you need to draw a structure like this, but you can retry. I know you can't draw it in one take, but just try it and you will be done. And fill the color using the fill option from the top right corner. And for making some little changes in the size of the drawing that you are making, you can use the wrap option from the top right corner, and for that you have to use the basic one, and you can move that in any side of the canvas, or you can maximize or minimize the size of it. Now use the Monoline brush and the orange color from the colors, and you draw a structure like this and fill it with the color. And if you have done something wrong in the shape, you can of course use the wrap option to correct it. Now clip a new layer onto that main layer and start creating a white shape like this and fill it up with the color. And of course you can change a little shape adjustment using the wrap option. Now clip a new layer using the plus icon and then use the red color to make a triangular shape like this. Now over the orange part, clip a new layer and start creating a shape using the black color and the Monoline brush, and then fill it up with the black color. Now add one more new layer and start creating a branch like this. So you have to choose the brown color for that. So how you are going to make it is very simple. Go to the color palette and select the orange color and make it a little darker, and you will find the brown color. Now you have to choose the background canvas color and then start making the leg by creating a shape like this. And then what you have to do is you have to duplicate that layer using the duplicate option, and then move it a little to the left side using the wrap option. Now go to the main body layer and using a black circle make the eye of the bird. Now over the orange part, what you have to do is you have to draw a oval like this using the dark orange color and then fill it up with the color. And now using the soft type of brush, you have to draw a line like this. Now we have to do some shading, and using the Bansky brush from Legacy slot we can do that. So select that option and turn the softness to something 50 and the opacity to 46, and then start shading the parts of the bird. So the technique is to choose the darker color and shade the part of the bird that is at the bottom or the right side, and use the lighter color like white for shading the top and the left side of any body part. Now use the same technique for shading the bird branches or the eye of the bird. And we are done. And guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, then give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.